Hi everybody, I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle with this week's Mayor Minute. We're out at the ACHD headquarters today and I have Tom Laws, our planning manager for ACHD. And Tom, I just wanted to give you an opportunity to say, come on and let the public know what's going on with your world and actually like your 5-year plan and some of the things that are going on that you want to talk about Eagle.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me, Mr. Mayor. So I think the most exciting thing that we just had wrap up is our 5-year plan public comment period. So this was our first public comment period that happened over the last month. And yesterday it officially wrapped up, where we were really asking the public what were their priorities, what are the key projects that we should be working on over the next 5 years. When looking at projects I'm really excited about, I think in the City of Eagle, it's really all about Linder Road. So we have our major project under construction now, Linder from State Highway 44 to Floating Feather. So right now we're just actually kicking off that construction. So we have a lot of utility work going right now and grading, really getting the street, the road really ready to go for construction.
If the public wants to get a week-to-week update, where can they go?
That's a great question, Mayor. The best place to go for ACHD is achdIdaho.org/projects. And there you can view all the different projects we have going on right now, from your design phase all the way through construction, and that will have weekly updates as to the status.
So I appreciate you getting on this week's Mayor Minute with me and giving that information.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. We're continuing with our Mayor Minute for this week, and I have Councilwoman Nancy Merrill with me today. And we're going to go over some of the stuff that you've been talking about as far as like our HOAs and things of that nature. So I thought this would be a good opportunity for you just to kind of give your ideas and visions of what's going on and how we can accommodate that.
Thanks, Mayor. I appreciate that. You know, as I ran for City Council this time, one of the things that we wanted to do was to improve our communication a little bit and maybe bring in some more civility and respect that we kind of lost a little bit, and we're going to see if we can ramp that back up. And one of the ideas that we've had is putting together a committee or a group of people that would be from our HOAs. So one representative from each HOA would meet with us on a regular basis. We haven't determined how often, but that will be determined by the meeting. But so on March 3rd, we're going to have our first meeting at Eagle City Hall with a representative from each of the HOAs within our community, and they can register through our website so we can get their contact information and we can prepare for our meeting. The reason why we're doing this is that the mission is to create a platform, if you will, for collaboration and for communication and addressing some of the challenges and some of the innovative solutions that others have. And so by talking with each other, we are able to come to some solutions and also find out what some of the problems are within the HOAs. Now, the City of Eagle can't fix all the problems. We know that. But we know a lot of people that we can send them to in areas that they can help. And so I'm very excited to bring this group together. I think that it's a small group of people within our community that has a lot of impact at the quality of where we live. So I'm looking forward to it, Mayor.
Well, I think it's going to be a benefit for all the citizens of Eagle as well, because the biggest issues they usually have are something within their own neighborhood.
I'm excited to do this. You know, it seems like whenever you have a problem and you talk to somebody else, they might have a solution. And we fixed it this way, or they might be asking, well, what do you do with barking dogs in your neighborhood?
There is a solution to every problem, but the city doesn't have all the answers for it. But collectively, they do probably.
Areas that we need, that we have expertise in, we can bring those experts into the HOA meeting. For example, our police chief and our fire people. And if we need to put together an evacuation plan or emergency preparedness plans and these kinds of things, we'll have an avenue to be able to help out with these kinds of things. So I think there's lots of things that we can do to help and to be involved with all of our HOAs.
We appreciate the fact that, Nancy, you're kind of leading that charge for us, and appreciate you listening today. And as always, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.